I am Sarvesh Kumar Kushwaha from RS Public School. Today we will study about polynomial, mathematics chapter 2 for class 10. Then in the previous session in class 9 we have already studied about polynomials. Then first of all, what is the polynomials? Then an algebraic expression, an algebraic expression which all variables have non-negative integers is called polynomials. An algebraic expression which also variables has non-negative integers is called polynomials, and the standard form of polynomial is a0, a1x, a2x square, where xn not equal to 0 and a0, a1, a2 are any numbers. Now polynomial has two things. One is terms and one is degree. First of all, we have to know about what is the terms in polynomials. Then now terms, first you can define the terms. Then part of polynomials separated by plus or minus sign are called terms. And degree, maximum numbers of exponent, maximum number of exponent of variable is called degree of polynomial. For example, 7x cube 9x square minus 5x plus 4. This is one example of polynomial, and this has number of terms 4 and number of degrees is 3. Now we have to learn naming of the polynomials. How can we naming the polynomial? Then polynomials is naming in the two way, according to the terms, in according to the degree. Now we have to, and how can we naming the polynomials? Polynomials are naming in the two way, according to the terms and according to the degrees. Now, according to the terms, monomials, polynomials, or polynomials which have one terms is called monomials. For example, 7x or 2x square, either 7. Any one is the example of monomials. Now, binomials, polynomial, or polynomials which have two terms. A polynomial which have two terms is called binomials. For example, 3x square plus 4, 7x minus 9. These all have two terms. There is two terms and there is also two terms. This both are example are binomials. Trinomial, polynomial, a polynomial which have three terms. Like this, we can naming next procedures: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now, according to the degree, we have to also naming the polynomial, or polynomial which have one degree is called linear polynomial. Degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 7x plus 5, each have degree 1. Quadratic polynomial, or polynomial which have degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 7x square plus 5 or 2x square minus 3x plus 4. This is also example of quadratic equation because both have the degree 2. Now, cubic polynomials, a polynomial which have degree 3 is called cubic polynomials. For example, 3x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 4. This is one example of cubic polynomial. Like this, we can naming according to the degree. So these are the information about the polynomials. In the next video, we have to study about the zeros of polynomial and relation of the zeros in the graphical form.